Welcome to the video of weekly horoscope. In this video, we'll talk about how will be your last week of the year from 23 December to 29 December, how it looks for you by your zodiac sign. So in this video, we'll talk about what thought process you will have, what changes you're going to see in your career, business, job, relationship, health, and as per your education, what things you're going to see in this week. So let's start the video. But before that, if you are first time on my channel, then this is the auspicious time to subscribe my channel and hit bell icon. So you will get the notification. So we will start with the Aries sign. How will be the last week of the year from 23 December to 29 December. For Aries people, this week looks pretty good for you as per your career because Jupiter and Mars is going to aspect your 10th house and you are going to see the good results. If you are working into the defense, then you are going to work on the new project or task. And if you are into the private job, then you are going to work on new ideas or you're going to get new projects. And if you are the boss, then you are going to discuss on new ideas or you're going to get new suggestions. But my advice to you here, just be open minded and listen to other thought process and take their ideas, and then you can take a decision. It will be helpful for you to grow in the business and it will actually give the good results to you. For education, this is a good time period for you. You are going to work on new concepts, so where you are going to spend your most of the time, but you have to be little conscious over here because your exam is going to come soon, so you can't waste your time, so you have to manage your time over here. And for the business, if you are into the partnership business, then you are going to see the good results, but you have to little bit explore here, as you might afraid of your competitors or you might stop doing earlier things which makes you special and stand out different. So you have to explore over here. So you need to start doing the same thing earlier you used to do, and you have to follow the same routine, then only you can improve yourself. And for love life, it will be the mixed time period. You will see the good and bad result, what the things you will see. And for the family life, you will have the some misunderstanding and fights in your family. And for married life, it will be mixed time period. You might have some expectation, but your partner is not going to understand that, so because of that, conflict will happen and some kind of fight you will go through. And for the health, you need to be little careful because you are going to face cold, cough, fever, this kind of issue you're going to face. For this week, you can do the remedy: gift stationery items to little girls, and you must wear amethyst crystal bracelet or seven mukhi rudraksh in your neck for this week because your sati is going to start and you will see the good results during that. Now this is all about the Aries sign. Now we will move forward and we'll talk about the Taurus sign. How will be your last week of the year from 23 December to 29 December. This time period will be favorable for you. You are going to get the appraisal or increment in your job. Your senior might get impressed by you and they are going to assign you new tasks or new projects they are going to give to you. And if you are searching for the job, then you are going to get the good response. For student, this is not the good time period for you. You will feel detachment from the study and not willing to do study, but you have to revise all the concepts because your exam is going to come, and this happened because of the Ketu it's sitting in your fifth house. And for the business, this is the good time period for you because Mercury is sitting in your seventh house, and you will realize that your analytical mind is working more and you are finding the small mistakes also. And this time you are thinking more about the profit, and because of that, your client or business partner does not like it and they have some kind of disagreement. But here you have to consider all the facts and then you need to work on it. And for love life, this is not the favorable time for you. You will feel detached from your partner and you will have misunderstanding with your partner. But my advice over here, just sit with your partner and express your expectation and then sort it out. Then only it's going to work it out. And for the married life, it will be good time period for you. You will enjoy and you will do planning for the new year. And for health front, you have to be little careful because you're going to face the stomach related issues. A remedy for the Taurus: this week give money to servant or offer a tea to your worker and try to wear rhodonite crystal bracelet this week. Now this is all about the Taurus. Now we will move forward and we'll talk about the Gemini. How last week of the year looks for you from 23 December to 29 December. For career wise, this is not the good week. You will have more work pressure because Rahu is sitting in your 10th house. You will realize that people are going to give more work to you. And as a Gemini people, you will accept that and you want to prove your worth to them. But my advice is that here, you don't take extra work. Take the work how much you are capable to do it. Don't push your limits. Don't do any extra work because you are going to take so much of work pressure on yourself and you're going to work for that, and because of that you're going to suffer a lot. And this time learn how to say no, because people are going to take the advantage of it in future, and it will be very problematic for you. You will have more workload because of that. And this time you will not get much support from your senior, where your competitor or your enemy is going to take the advantage of it. So ignore this, don't think of much, because your mental health is more important. For students, you will see the good results. For competitive exam, you are going to get the success. Just keep doing your study. And for the business, you are going to get more profit, because sun is sitting in your seventh house, and where you are going to launch new product, or you are going to expand your business, and you are going to work on that. For the health front, you may get skin disease. Apart from that, all good, not any major disease you will have. And for the love life, it will be mixed time period for you. And for the family, you will have some dispute in your family. And for married life, it will be good time period for you. You will see increased bond with your partner. And remedy for this week: feed cow green grass or donate some money. Now we will move forward and we'll talk about the Cancer zodiac sign. How will be the last week of the year from 23 December to 29 December. This week you have to work really hard, because Saturn is aspecting your 10th house. So you should work so much hard this time. You have to put more efforts. You need to avoid the procrastination. Just do it. This is the approach you should have, or else you will feel that bulky and having more workload. This week don't depend on luck. Just put more efforts, because luck is depend on you. So you have to work really hard this time. And for students, you're going to see the good results, because Mercury is sitting in your fifth house. You are going to get the support from your teacher. And for business, this is the good time period for you. You are going to get the support from someone, and you will make your own strategy. For health front, you will get infection or allergy. Just be careful. And for married life, you will have dissatisfaction. This is not the good time period for you. And remedy for this week: visit Shiv temple and offer a water, and wear mother of pearl bracelet. Now this is all about the Cancer zodiac. Now we will move forward and we'll talk about the Leo sign. How will be the last week of the year from 23 December to 29 December. For Leo, this time Jupiter is in your 10th house. So you will get your desired project or desired task this time. And if you are searching for a job, you are going to get the job. This time you have to take a step, and then you are going to get the good results. And for the student, this time sun is in your fifth house. So you are going to involve in extra curriculum activity, and you will earn from there. And if you participate in sports competition, then you will win also. And you are going to concentrate on study as well. So you are going to earn and do the study as well this week. For the business, you're going to see the good results. You're going to get the growth, especially if you are into the cosmetic business. For health, you may suffer from stomach related problem, so detox your body. And for love life, it will be really good time period for you. You will enjoy with your partner, go on movie or dates. You will have quality time with your partner. And for the married life, you will enjoy with your partner. You will go on romantic date or romantic dinner or movie nights. You are going to enjoy, or you will plan for the year this time. Remedy for this week: offer water to the sun in the morning and wear sunstone bracelet. Now this is all about the Leo. Now we will move forward and we'll talk about the Virgo. How last week looks for you from 23 December to 29 December. This week for Virgo, it will be mixed. You will get the appreciation from your senior. And for job search, this is not the good time period for you. For student, this is the good time period for you. You will get support from your teacher, and you will prepare for the competitive exam. For the business perspective, it looks little tense. Whatever you expected the growth, you are not able to get that, and because of that, you will be worried a lot. For family, you will plan for the trip. For love life, you will be upset from your partner, but in weekend you will travel to religious places. And for married life, it will be good time period for you. You will enjoy with your partner. And remedy for this week: feed cow this week. Now we will move forward and we'll talk about Libra. How last week of the year looks for you from 23 December to 29 December. For Virgo people, career wise, it's a good time period for you. You're going to put more efforts in your job, where you will go on time. You will spend more time in your job. This time you want to do something big, and you're working really hard for that. This time you become the passionate for that. And for government job, it will be okay. But if you are into the private sector, you are going to get the priority, and you will keep your work on priority. And because of that, you are going to ignore your family, and you are not going to give much time to your family, and you need to manage over there a little bit. For student, it will be good time period for you. You will get support from your teacher. For business, you will see ups and downs, so you have to revise your decision. For mental health, you will be stressed, but physically you will be fit. I can just advise you, do meditation this time. For love life, this is the good time period for you. You will enjoy this week. You will go on dates. But for married life, you will see conflicts and fights with your partner. Remedy for this week, visit Lakshmi temple and offer flowers. Now this is all about the Libra sign. Now we will move forward and we'll talk about the Scorpio sign. How will be the last week of the year from 23 December to 29 December. Scorpio people, you will get bonus or increment, or you will get the extra money where you invested, and you will get the extra profit this week. For this week, you will be interested in passive income and you will be creating it. For this week, you might travel to abroad as well. For students, Rahu will be sitting in your fifth house. So you will be distracted, not able to focus on the study. You will think a lot. My concept is not revised. My exam is coming and what should I do? And because of that, you will get stress. So this time you have to focus on study. You will get distracted for sure because Rahu will not allow you to focus on study. But it's your responsibility to focus on the study. For business, this is a good time period for you. You will get new clients this time. And for health, you will have leg or back pain. So just be careful for that. And for love life, it will be mixed time period. You will have some miscommunication with your partner. For married life, it is a good time period for you. You will travel with your partner to somewhere or religious places. And remedy for the week, feed street dogs. Now this is all about the Scorpio sign. Now we will move forward and we'll talk about the Sagittarius sign. How will be the last week looks for you. For Sagittarius, career-wise, it will be good time period for you. You will be excited for the new year. You will be doing new things, new planning this week. If you are looking for job, then this is a good time period for you. You will get your desired job. For students, you need to work little more hard this time. For business, you will earn extra profit. You will be recognized for your work. You will get appreciated for your work this time. For health wise, it will be mixed. You may face hair fall and teeth issue. In family, you may face dispute. For love life, this is not a good time period for you. You may face disagreement on something, and don't take any third advice. It will make more things complicated. For married life, it will be good time period for you. And remedy for this week, distribute sweet in temple. Now this is all about the Sagittarius. Now we will move forward and we'll talk about the Capricorn, how last week looks for you from 23 December to 29 December. For Capricorn, this week will be mixed. You will see good and bad results for the things you will see. For career wise, your performance will be rated and you will be scolded by your seniors, and they will try to give new work or new tasks to you. For partnership business, this is not the good time period for you. You will go through the gray side of people, but don't sign any document without checking it properly. For health wise, you may face leg or eye issues. You might plan for the luxury vacation with your family. For love life, it's a good time period for you. You will practice spirituality or you will do meditation with your partner because Jupiter is sitting in your fifth house. And for married life, it's not a favorable time period for you. You need to be little tolerable, then only things will work for you. And remedy for this week, feed a black cow. This is all about the Capricorn. Now we will move forward and we'll talk about the Aquarius, how things looks for you for this week, last year of the week from 23 December to 29 December. For Aquarius people, you will see that you will be traveling from one city to another city. You are spending most of your time with your colleagues or subordinate this week, and you are sharing your thoughts with them, or you are sharing your feeling with your girlfriend, with your colleagues, with your friends. And for love life, you might find your new partner or you will have new affair this week. And for student, this is the good time period for you. You will learn new skill. And for education, this is a good time period. For health wise, it's not a favorable time period for you. You will face stress, stomach problems. During this time period, you must chant Hanuman Chalisa and wear 7 Mukhi Rudraksh. It will be very beneficial for you. And you will get support from your family. And for married life, you will be exploring or learning new things with your partner. Remedy for this week, donate black kambal or blanket. This is all about the Aquarius sign. Now we came to the end. Now we will talk about the Pisces. How will be the last week of the year from 23 December to 29 December. For Pisces people, for career wise, you will take some big decision because Sun is sitting in your 10th house. For growth in your career, in your job or in your business, for that you will be taking some big decision and tough decision this time. This time, Pisces want the change because your Sadesati is going to start, and because of that, you wanted to have some kind of change in your life, and you will be working really hard this time. And this time, you will see increased competitive nature in you, and this is good for your career. For business front, many people will come and ask for the profit share, but you don't have to share because you work really hard for this. For health wise, you may face some health issues, so work on your exercise and diet. For family life, you will be planning for the luxury vacation or buying new items in home. For love life and married life, it will be mixed time period. You will be practicing spirituality and doing meditation together. Remedy for this week, offer sugarcane juice to Shivling. This is all about the all zodiac sign. How will be the last week of the year from 23 December to 29 December. I hope you like the video and please share your thoughts in the comment. Do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And so we'll meet in the next video. So till then, Hari Om.